So today I wanted to show you how you can do offset in Canva. So what I did was I created this here, and then I sent it out with a transparent background. I just picked the one slide, which one of the updates I like is that they have the current page. And then you download it. I already did that. So then you're going to upload it into Canva. And I have a folder specifically for my stickers. And I usually put a different color background just so that you can see and better judge how thick you want your offset to be. So then we click on this and we go up to edit image. We're going to go to shadows and glow. And the first thing you're going to see is it automatically adds a black, like blurry edge, right? So we're going to click on the settings. We're going to make transparency 100. We're going to kill the blur, and we're going to change the color to white. Now, that's really small, and it's not really going to work for me. So I changed the size. Until everything touches. Or just about. There we go. And then we hit apply. Now, sometimes Canva has issues with the glow feature. I'm not sure why. Let's see if it'll do it. And it'll kill the glow. Not sure why it does that. And then in that case, unfortunately, you just got to go back in. Oh, see, there it is. So I'm not sure why it did that. This is actually the first time it's ever come back for me. It must know that I'm showing it off. So, and then I just make it as big as the box. I share, download, transparent black background so it doesn't show you the blue. We're going to go back and select the current page, and then we're going to download it. I like to download it at 3000 by 3000 pixels so that I can put it on like t-shirts and shit. And then you download it, and then I'm going to rename it as what I originally did. And now, if you were to create a new page, you just, let's see if I can do this in extra large icons. You see that it's got the thing? It's going to upload it. And there you have it. And that's all you need to do a outline offset for stickers in Canva. And it works with images too, because this is basically an image when I uploaded it originally. So you can do it with images too. It is the best way that I like to do offset. I can do it in Photoshop too, but since I do a lot of these in Canva, yeah, so that was weird. I don't know why that's on there. So, okay, I just thought I'd share. Hope that helps somebody. Let me know if it does.